Guess where I am? Guys, I'm at my mom's place. So my parents are finally back from US. So we thought we'll just give them a visit. So we are currently in Kerala. You can see God's own country. So many greens, and I'm back in my traditional bun, which normally I'm in whenever I visit Kerala. So my mom is making many special dishes for us. So I thought let's record the recipe for you guys. So let's get started. Guys, so this is the traditional way where my mom normally cooks for us because this is the yummiest way. So I have this pot ready for making fish curry. So this is Choora curry that we call it as. So my pot is almost getting dried. Let's see. So we have added little mustard seeds. So you can see it has already started bursting. Followed by little ginger and garlic. So we are going to wait until it becomes little roasted in type. Little onion slices and little curry leaves. Yes, that's my mom's hand. And little sliced in middle little chilies that we have added. Now I'm going to add little tamarind. And let's mix it. We added little turmeric. Now we are adding little coriander. And followed by chili powder. So we are using Kashmiri chili powder, which has good color and not so much spicy. Powder, guys. So that's done. So we are going to mix it up. Little water. And we are going to wait. We are going to allow it to boil. Adding salt. Depends upon your taste. We have covered it with a lid. And we are going to allow it to cook. We have covered it with a lid. And we are going to allow it to cook. So after the water had started to boil, we have added the fish pieces and we have mixed it. Now we are going to close it with the lid and allow it to boil again. And that's it.